It's me, Courtney, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're doing another Christmas look. This one is more a little bit of a bronzy halo type of situation we have going on with a bright red orangey kind of lip. So if you are interested in how to get this look, then please continue to watch. For brows, I'm just gonna fill them in with my Kat Von D signature brow pencil, which is still a favorite of mine to this day. I'm gonna take my concealer and use that as a base for my shadow. I'm gonna be using the California Love palette from Colourpop, and I'm gonna take the shade Gold Rush and pat that into my crease. Then buff and blend it out. Next, we're using the shade Mission and adding that to our outer edge corner, as well as our inner lid corner. I'm gonna use a little more Gold Rush to blend in the edge of that dark brown we put down and add a little bit more color saturation. Then I'm gonna go into Diego, and I'm gonna pat that onto the center of my lid with my finger. And taking a thin fluffy brush, I'm gonna use that deep brown shade to blend the edge of Diego for a more seamless transition from one shade to the next. Also on my finger, I'm taking El Capitan and gently patting that onto the center of my lid, a little bit closer to the lash line. Next, I'm gonna take this brown eye pencil from Essence and line my top lash line. Moving on to the face, I'm taking my Nars Pore and Shine Control Primer, and I'm gonna gently work that into the skin. For foundation today, we're going to throw it back to the Mercier Flawless Fusion, and I'm going to stipple that into my skin with my IT Cosmetics foundation brush, which has quickly become my favorite way of putting on foundation, by the way. Like, it literally gives you a beautiful and flawless base. Next, I'm taking my concealer and adding that to the usual spots. Blending that out. And then I'm going to set my concealer with the TooFaced Peach Perfect Loose Setting Powder. For contour, I'm going to use the Huda Tantour Cream and softly buff that into the contours of my cheeks. On my 5 head, and the nose as well, if that's what you're into. Just make sure you smooth out those edges with a small fluffy brush so that there's no harsh lines. Next, we're gonna bronzify using the Caramel Hoola Bronzer. I'm gonna take my L'Oreal powder and lightly dust that all over to set and take away any tacky feeling from the foundation. Now going back into the palette and using the color Mission again, I'm only gonna add that to the lower outer lash line, connecting it to the top at an angle. Then I'm using the shade Cruisin' and placing it on my inner corner, and then dragging it onto the lower lash line to meet the dark brown shade we put down. Then we're gonna blend it together with that thin fluffy brush. I'm I'm gonna use that same brown eyeliner in my waterline. Then I'm gonna add lashes and mascara. I'm gonna be using Moon Glow from Bobbi Brown to highlight. And then we set. For lips, I'm taking Boss Liner from Kylie to line. And I'm gonna fill it in with Elson 2 from the one and only Pat McGrath. And here we are. Alright, so one thing I did want to mention is after I did hit my spray, I do have a few like spray dots that I didn't quite get to before they dried. So maybe use a different setting spray. But other than that, I really liked how this look turned out. If you enjoyed it as well, then please give me a thumbs up. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share the video if the mood suits you. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.